You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to manage notifications on your Apple Watch quickly and clearly. Start by opening the Watch app on your iPhone and tapping the My Watch tab. From there, scroll down and tap Notifications. This is where all your notification settings live, and you can customize them exactly how you want. Tap on any app name to set how it behaves on your watch. One important thing to decide first is whether you want to mirror your iPhone's notification settings. Let's say your email app is already customized on your iPhone. Mirroring those settings might make sense so that you don't have to set everything up again from scratch. But if you want your Apple Watch to work a little differently, just turn off the mirroring and choose your own settings. From there, you can allow full notifications, send them straight to the notification center without alerts, or turn them off entirely. You also have the option to enable or disable haptic alerts, which control whether your wrist vibrates when something comes in. This is great if you want to keep things discreet or avoid distractions. And just a quick tip, if you want to view or clear notifications directly on the watch, just swipe down from the top of the screen. Swipe left on a specific alert to remove it, or scroll up and tap Clear All to wipe everything at once. That's how you manage Apple Watch notifications easily. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Apple tips. See you later.